many people on right now?
I was the first one. By the way, I was the first one.
I was the third.
Also, if you want to find that, it's on the thingy.
What thingy?
Hold on.
Hello. Hi, Mom Ottobre.
Miriam, do you think I put too many stickers?
No.
I mean emojis. Samuel does.
Yes, I do.
Tell me how to start your screen.
What did I do, actually?
Buddy, stop sharing your screen.
I don't know how to stop.
Screen share at the
Stop here. Okay, found it.
Thank you.
Madam Moderator, are we going to be doing something on the computer?
You know what? I honestly don't know what's happening right now.
Can we just talk?
Anyone else even coming?
I have no idea.
I'm going to text Rihanna, see if she's coming.
Did anybody hear there's a new virus that popped up in China?
No, they didn't. We just stopped.
I just got Class Dojo.
Oh, Shiley joined.
Yes.
Hi, Madam Ottobre.
Hey, folks.
Get started.
Yay, 5 people are here. Hi, Shiley.
Hi, Miriam.
Finally,
Hi,
there's
Layla.
something. Did you see my thing on the on the thing on stream?
Can anyone
It
still
says
see me?
DJ. It says DJ Layla.
No. So I wrote this in the wrong place, but still wrote it. Where did I put it? Where?
Hi, Beatrice.
Beatrice. Hi.
Hi.
Face, but
I wrote Layla was the first. Second was Samuel. Then it was me. I mean, that was me. Then it was Shiley. Then it was Beatrice. Yes, I
Xavier's
did.
not on right now.
Oh,
yes.
So, hey,
Silence.
friends.
Hey.
You know, there was like Khan Academy.
I didn't.
I did.
I had
Who
no
was
idea who it was.
Miriam
I-
apparently knew. Bea knew.
I did Alex.
I can't remember my password.
What
I just have my
things I have in
thing.
Alex are hard. I can't finish them.
Shiley,
Yes.
do you know how to do the meats thing?
Victoria. Hi, Victoria.
Hi, Victoria.
Hi, Miriam.
Don't, Ryan. He's gonna
Is
fall.
Logan gonna join with you?
Madam Ottobre.
I know.
How is Maddox doing?
He's sleeping?
You have a nerdy thingies?
Well, he's
You have a
not
baby
asleep.
monitor?
He's not asleep.
Maddox.
Uh-huh.
Aw.
He's trying to sleep. Oh, I have another funny thing I can show you. Hang on.
Look out, Miriam.
What?
Oh,
Aw,
Aw.
that is cute.
so cute.
Hi.
Xavier's
Aw.
Look at Maddox.
Hi, Layla.
Hi.
Hi, Shiley.
Guys, can you hear me?
Hi.
Hello?
We can hear you.
Oh, he's
Okay.
so cute.
Aw. How do you get it to sit still like that for a long time?
He just gets mesmerized by the camera.
How old is he?
10 months.
10 months.
He's supposed to be one.
Where's all your crazy hair? I don't see a lot of crazy hair happening today on Thursday.
Play something.
I already sent the
But they're
picture.
talking about
I
crazy
already
hair,
sent
but-
the picture.
I'm
I'm
like
not
5 days
messing
old.
with my hair anymore. It got annoying. My hair felt like soldier foam because that's what I use.
All right, children.
Yes.
So
Crazy hair, though.
we,
Nobody's
oh, hey, Victoria and Logan.
I'm crazy now.
We need to talk about fractions, I think, because looking at your Khan Academy, I'm questioning if you are, one, doing it, which you aren't, or two, don't know how. I feel like you guys have been doing pretty well with division, so I'm not gonna bother with that. But let's talk about these equivalent fraction models.
I didn't think that I stepped in it.
I don't understand equivalent fractions.
What?
I don't understand equivalent fractions that much.
Well, goody, I'm glad we're gonna go over it.
My computer won't let. Madam Ottobre, my computer won't let me do it.
Won't let you do what?
Won't let me get on Khan Academy.
That's not true.
Yeah, this is not.
Are you logging in with Google?
No.
Well, okay, so
No, I can't.
just let him. He's trying to go.
Madam Ottobre.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. So Layla.
Yes.
Okay, when you go to Khan Academy, oh my goodness. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, when you go to Khan Academy, you need to go to log in, and then you need to continue with Google. Do not put your Google information in here. You click continue with Google. And then it's gonna, if you're not already logged into Google, it's gonna ask you to log into Google, which is your school stuff. Okay? Okay.
That's faster.
Okay, I want to talk about fractions.
Yikes.
Equivalent fractions.
Look at
Okay.
Logan, Victoria.
Do you guys understand how to compare fractions? Did I
No.
talk to you about that?
I need. No, I don't understand.
Okay, so we're gonna watch. I'm gonna just work on this with you. We're gonna compare fractions with models, okay? I need to move my screen of little friends. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna use the greater than or less than symbols or equal. So think about how you would fill in each rectangle below to help you compare the fractions. So I'm gonna get my little drawing tool out. I can draw on this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna fill in 6/4 here, and I'm gonna fill in 4/4 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay.
So then 4/4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, which one's bigger? 6/4 or 4/4? Shiley.
6/4.
6/4.
What are you typing in?
6/4. So I'm.
Why are you doing that?
See if it works.
I wanted her to
So
choose
I'm gonna
what you
select
had,
this,
what you
and I'm
had
gonna
on
have
there.
it opening towards the 6/4. You following me?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
There's only 7 people.
If you had it, at least.
It's too loud, guys.
Guys, if there's talking in the background, could you please turn your mics off?
Ottobre.
Yeah.
I have it. It just won't let me go on it.
That I don't understand. Can you share your screen with me then?
Yes. And then when I press it, it loads.
All right, hang on. What is this?
It's what happens when I try to get onto Khan Academy.
Okay, go back out.
Okay.
So open it. So click on the link. Okay, don't click on the link. Just search Khan Academy.
I just did that and it did the same thing.
She didn't share her screen, Miriam. Because she's on the phone. She's zooming on the phone.
Here, push Academy right there.
Khan Academy. Oh, now it works.
Okay, so click that first thing that pops up. So I think what that tells me is my link is bad. Now click login.
It's loading.
Okay. Okay, you good now?
It just shows me school closed. So let me try again. I press logged in.
Then you have to put your email address. You have to put your Google address.
You've got to put login with Google. Click login with Google.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to, are you guys back with me on my little page? I'm going to color in 1/3. So here's 1/3, one of the 3. And then I'm also going to color in 1/2. I know I'm doing a really good job coloring. Don't be jealous. Okay. Which is colored more, 1/3 or 1/2? Shiley.
They're equal.
What?
1/2.
1/2. Good job. This has more shaded. You'd have to shade this much more to get them equal, yeah?
Yeah.
So 1/2 is bigger. Samuel, is this making sense?
Yes.
Cool. Okay,
I
let's
did
do
this one
2/4 and 4/4. Now this one's really easy because the denominators are the same. So really it's whichever one has the bigger numerator. So which one has the bigger numerator? Kylie.
4/4.
4/4. Yeah, we don't have to color it in. I can color it in 4. Whoever's making a lot of noise in the background, mute yourself.
Hold on.
So 2/4 is definitely smaller than 4/4. Voila. Okay, here we've got 6ths and 8ths, so we should definitely color some stuff in so we know what we're doing. So this one, we've got to pick the right one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This top row is divided into 6ths. So I'm going to use this top row to color 7/6. So that's 6 and 7. Yeah? Okay, then this bottom row is split up into 8. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which one is bigger? 7/6 or 7/8?
7/6.
7/6. And you'll notice that the 7/6 means there was a whole one plus a little extra because 7 is bigger than 6 and 7's in the numerator. And for 7/8, there was not quite a whole because there's 8 pieces and you only have 7 of them. Okay, 2/3 or 1/3. I don't have to shade this in because my denominators are the same. So what do you guys think? Which one's bigger? Can I have someone
2/3.
besides Shiley?
2/3.
2/3 is bigger. Nice job, Miriam. All right. Now we have 8ths and 4ths. So 3/8. Does anyone want to guess? Shiley, what's your guess?
4/3.
There isn't a 4/3. There's a 3/4.
3/4.
You think 3/4 is bigger? Why?
Because so if you do 3, like shade 3.
Right here?
No, on the 4.
Okay.
Can you get me some more jelly beans, please?
Okay.
And then if you shade 3 of those, shade 3 of the A's. That's the 4 is bigger. I mean the third
Yeah.
4.
So another thing you can remember is the 8ths are divided 2 more times. So you'd have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8 make the same amount. So good job, Shiley. Who drew on my thing? You we devils. You're not devils, I'm kidding.
How do you do that? How can you draw on somebody's thing?
You can click this annotate thing. And then you're just like, whee!
Mom, Ottobre, what are you doing?
That's not me. That's Layla.
That's not me.
Whatever, Layla. I see you.
No, that's Layla.
I'm eating crackers.
How do you do it? I don't know how to annotate.
That's your teacher.
Nobody's doing it. No, I'm not doing it. It's Layla.
Okay, if you want me to do it, I'll do it.
I don't want you to do it. It was a joke, okay?
I don't know.
I see you.
Hi, Beatrice.
Beatrice.
Okay. Now we have 2/8 and 4/8. These have the same denominator, so we don't have to color anything in.
It's just
Does anybody have any
4
thoughts?
A's. 4
Somebody that's not Shiley
4/8.
No.
or Miriam. Does anyone besides Shiley or Miriam have a thought?
4/8.
Besides Miriam. We're
Go
silent.
drawing arrows at my drink. Okay.
It's probably Victoria.
I changed
Watch me, Victoria. Yes, Miriam.
4/8.
That is correct. Why?
Because the numerator is bigger than the.
Good job. Is Samuel still here? Where'd he go?
He left, I'm pretty sure.
You want to go.
Look how smart we are. Okay. Now let's.
Is it even on the garden?
I wanted to do an equivalent one. You want to look at comparing fractions with the same numerator, but not the same. Let's do same denominator. I think we can do this real fast. Okay, we have 3/2 or 1/2. Layla, which one's bigger?
3. 3 halves?
3 halves, because the denominators are the same. You just compare the numerators. Brilliant. Okay, we have 3/3 to 2/3. Let's see. Bea, can you tell me if it's 3/3 is bigger or 2/3 is bigger?
3/3
3/3 is bigger. Why is 3/3 bigger?
because 3 is bigger than 2.
These are facts. Nice job.
Oh, can
Okay.
I try?
Let's see. Was that Miriam? Miriam, tell me about 3/6 and 9/6
9/6.
is
The bigger number.
brilliant. Thank you. Great job. Let's see. I have 6/6 and 4/6. Let's see who I haven't heard from. You know what? I don't even know.
That's why
Samuel is kind of back. All right, Shiley, you tell me about 6/6 and 4/6.
6/6 is bigger.
6/6 is bigger.
I
Excellent.
lagged out.
Look at us, just dominating.
I lagged
All right,
out.
now
So
let's compare fractions with the same numerator.
Madam,
Yeah.
I lagged out, so I missed some of the.
It's okay, you'll catch up. Okay, so now we have different denominators, but the same numerator. So when the numerators are the same, we're gonna look to the denominators. And normally you'd be like, oh, 8 is bigger than 2. But remember that in this case, if you have a candy bar, let's say, your candy bar is split up into 2 pieces or 8 pieces. And you get 2 of either of those. So would you rather have 2 out of the 2 pieces or 2 out of 8 pieces?
Out of 8 pieces?
2 out of 8 pieces. You would rather have 2 out of 8 pieces?
Yes, because then I'll have more for later.
I do. That's too.
Let's say whatever's left, your dog eats.
Dogs can't eat chocolate.
I didn't say it was chocolate. I
So
said
would I. That's what happened to my mom.
So would you rather eat right now 2 over 2 pieces of candy or 2 out of 8 pieces of candy?
2 over 2.
2 out of 8.
2.
Oh.
2 over 2.
Which one's bigger? 2 over 2. So if you, I'm gonna very poorly draw my candy, okay? They're split into 2 pieces. Or I can have one that's split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can have, yeah, quit writing on my thing. 2 out of 2 or 2 out of 8. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Hey,
Who's writing
guys.
on the
Hey guys. Quit drawing on the thing.
We're not. I see it now.
Okay. So numerators are the same. Look at the denominators. You want the denominator that is split into fewer pieces. So we have 6 pieces or 8 pieces. Which one is bigger?
5 over 8. 5 over 6.
5 over 6 is bigger. Yeah.
Who is that, man?
I want to say.
So then we have 7/8 or 7/6. So when the numerators are the same, you're looking at the denominators. Which one is cut into fewer pieces?
7/6.
7/6. Good job. I think that was Bea. Okay, now we have 4/4 or 4/3?
4/4 is bigger. I mean 4/3.
4/4.
Why is 4/3 bigger, Samuel?
Because you'll have less, and then you'll have more in the other one.
That was like really vague. Could you be a little more specific?
Oh man, I don't know how to be specific on.
Okay.
Shiley, do you want to try to explain it, or are you eating too much spaghetti?
Yes, yes.
Really, Shiley?
Which one will be bigger?
Yeah.
It will be the 4/3.
4/3. Do you know why?
No.
Well, our numerators are the same, but our denominators are different. So we're going to pick the one with the smaller denominator because it means it's split up into fewer pieces. Okay, now I'm going to back up and we're going to compare fractions on the number line.
No.
Yes.
Oh, I did it. Can I do one?
So I have to plot 2/3. So
Can I do it?
0/3. Hold on, Shiley. And this is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3.
I was confused with
5/3, 6/3. Okay? Shiley, where am I gonna put this green dot?
after
It will be the second. No, yeah, that. Yeah, that one.
Good job. 4/3.
Can I do it?
Miriam's cousin, where am I putting this green dot?
do you do I do it? Do I do it? Or now she do it? Just you tell her where to put it. Okay, so go over. Go over. There.
Brilliant. Good job. So now using the number line, is 2/3 bigger or is 4/3 bigger?
4/3.
More.
4/3.
4/3.
4/3.
4/3. Good job. Okay, does anyone want to help me plot 3/4?
Me.
Me.
Not me.
Me.
Oh, I'm not.
Me is Samuel. Okay, Samuel, me.
The third the third line except for the 4, not including the 4 and the 0/4 and the 4/4.
So where it is right now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, does someone want to help me do 3/8? Someone, Shiley wants to help me plot 3/8.
Go over. Go over. That one.
Good job. 1/8, 2/8, 3. Great. Now, which one is bigger, the 3/4 or the 3/8?
3/4.
3/4. Okay, how about 5/6? Miriam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right there? Okay, nice. How about 3/6?
1. Oh, you gotta do all that.
Doing it again. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, and let's see, Layla.
Yes.
Can you tell me which one's bigger, 5, 6?
I think it's
That's
5, 6.
Good, because it's all the way over here, and 3/6 is only right there. Okay. Will somebody help me plot 2 halves? Whoever's hand is up. I don't know who's this is.
It's 2:30.
Go all the way where it says 2, 2.
2:30.
Right here.
There is someone whose video is not on but has their hand up, and I don't know who it is.
I don't know how to turn on the video.
It's Victoria.
No, it's not.
I don't think so. It doesn't matter who it is, but whoever that is, do you want to?
Yes, but I can't see the screen.
So that means I wonder who.
Okay, where am I putting the green dot? Oh, it is Victoria.
Everybody down
You can't. You're frozen. So 1, 2, 2 twos. How about 2/3? Layla, can you tell me where to put the 2/3 dot?
The 2/3 go, the 2/3 go right in the middle?
So right here.
Yes. I think,
No.
Right there.
no, I mean the other one.
Right here.
No,
No. Right here.
no,
Right.
What?
yes.
Okay. Cool.
I think
So which is bigger, 2/2 or 2/3?
2/3.
Okay. Which one's further to the right?
Oh, 2/2.
2/2.
Good job. Okay. Compare fractions with the same numerator or denominator. Okay, so we have 4/4 or 1/4.
4/4 is bigger
Tell me why, Samuel.
because it's 4/4 and you only like out of the like a piece of candy you took all of it and the other one you only took one out of it.
Brilliant. Okay. So we've got 1/3 compared to 1/4. So our numerators are the same, but our denominators are different. So which one is bigger, 1/3 or 1/4?
1/3.
Why?
Never mind.
It's 1/4.
It is not.
It's 1/3.
It is 1/3 because it's split. If we used the number line on this, it would have been further to the right.
1/3.
Yeah, so remember on the first one, when the numerators are the same, my drawings are really good, you guys. I hope you're not jealous.
Okay, wonderful.
Remember, you can always draw a picture. Okay, mine's not very accurate, but it should. If my drawing was like at all good, this would look a lot bigger than this does. But you know, I'm drawing with a mouse pad, so don't judge me. See you judging. Stop judging me, Victoria. Anyway, now that was creepy. 1/3 is bigger. Remember, you're going to look at the denominator, see which one is split into smaller bits. Okay, so 4/6 to 7/6.
7/6
Is
is bigger
why, Miriam?
because it has a bigger denominator. I'm at numerator.
Yes, and the denominators are
The bottom numbers, the denominators.
are the
Same.
same.
Get out. Ow, your toenail.
oh, 6/8 to 6/6. So if our numerators are the,
Same.
good job, Victoria, then our denominators, they're different. So which one do I pick?
6/6.
I pick the 6 because it's divided in smaller pieces. I mean, a smaller number of pieces. Guys,
4/3.
4/3. Who said that?
Oh, like that.
Okay,
Miriam.
good job. Why is 4/3 bigger, me?
Miriam,
Oh, Miriam, why is 4/3 bigger?
because it has a bigger numerator, and the denominators are the same.
Brilliant, excellent job. 2/6 or 2/3?
2/3.
Why, Victoria?
Because 3 is bigger. I mean, the number is, I don't know.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Okay, look at the numerators. They are the,
Same.
okay. So when you look at the denominators, you want the one that has a smaller number. Okay. 3/3 or 1/3, Layla?
3/3 or 1/3.
Yeah, which one is bigger?
I think 1/3.
Why do you think that?
I think 1/3 is smaller.
You think 1/3 smaller or bigger? I'm confused.
It's smaller
Yes, good job. Do you know why?
because it's a shorter number. I mean, it's on the top. The top number is a shorter number.
It's a smaller number, and the bottom are the,
Are the same.
perfect. Good job.
Is this 1 hour now, Ottobre?
You know what? I don't know.
What happened?
So, let's do a couple equivalent fractions, okay? And then,
Yeah, I was just working on that.
because you guys were saying that you have trouble with that.
I'll do that.
Yes.
Okay, so the following figures are the same size. Each is 1 whole. So this is a whole candy bar, this is a whole candy bar, okay? 2/3 of A is shaded. So A was divided in 1, 2, 3 pieces, and they shaded 1, 2 of them. Yes? Yes? Miriam, pay attention. Okay, I hope you're listening. Whatever. So what fraction of B do we need to shade so it has the same shaded area? So if I look at this, the little wings are shaded. So
6/4.
the wing.
6/4.
There's a wing.
It's gonna be 4/6. I'm pretty sure.
There's a wing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pieces. So my denominator has to be what number?
6/4.
Stop counting out. Raise your hand. Samuel,
4 is gonna be 6.
what's going to be 6?
The denominator.
The denominator, because I'm split into 6 parts. So it's either A or B right away. So am I shading 2 or 4 pieces for my numerator? Samuel.
4.
4. Bravo. Okay. The 2/3 of the following rectangle is shaded. Here we go. Which of the following rectangles have exactly 2/3 of their area shaded? Okay, so let's look at this. A is in how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can this, we have 2 over 6. No, stop it. No, stop it. This one is 2 sixths. Okay, that doesn't make sense. This one is split into 1, 2, 3 parts. So how much is that on the denominator?
2/3.
2/3. Ryan's playing video games behind me if you're listening to that. I can't write 2/3.
I don't think so.
Okay, then C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C has 6. And shapes are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what if I divided this up into 6 pieces?
Who's coughing?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So wouldn't that one match up?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
So that one works. Does A work?
No.
No. Does B have 2/3 shaded?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So these two work. Brilliant. The following circles are the same size. Each is 1 whole. 4/8 of A is shaded. So we're split into 4 pieces and 4 of them are shaded. What fraction of B do we need to shade so it has the same area as A? Okay, who can tell me how many pieces are in B?
6.
6. Okay, so all of our denominators have 6. So if we look at this, how many are shaded? If we look at A, how many are shaded?
4.
4. How many are not shaded?
4.
4. So there's an equal number shaded and an equal number not shaded. So that means there's half.
Yeah.
Half is shaded. So how
You know,
many
it's
of these would I have to shade for half of them to be shaded?
3.
3.
3.
yeah.
1, 2. I could pick this one.
Every time you go in the store, you got to pick up what you can.
So
Banana bread. Do,
6 or 4, 6. What did I shade in for B?
3, 6.
3, 6. Good job.
Yay.
Okay, 2 minutes. We're done. 6/8 of the following rectangle is shaded. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna pause here, guys, and I'm gonna talk to you about what I want you to be working on.
Okay.
So if you look on,
Oh, thank you.
Xavier sent me a screenshot of his new Alex tag, which I thought was really, really cool. I'd like to find a way to celebrate you guys for doing that.
Yeah, great job. But send some Virgil's.
I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'll figure that out eventually.
How can you send someone Starburst?
It was a joke, guys.
What is virtual Starburst?
A joke?
It's a joke.
They don't exist.
Well,
Anyway.
you can send me some Starburst. I'll give you
I don't know. We'll come up with a plan. So, I think I got some of these spirals from you. I did. You can go in. Some of these you're gonna have-
Madam, I did them on paper.
That's fine. But
Who's
if you want
screaming?
to edit it directly, you need to go over here and put open in new window. It's very complicated. Then you have to open with docs. The other two I put on here, you can definitely just open them straight away. And then you can type right on here. And you can do things right on here. Yeah.
Get out.
How come you gave us 4 spiral reviews, but we're only out for 3 weeks?
Because I thought you could do 4.
Miriam, that's not all true because we might be out for more than 2 weeks.
We can be out for forever.
We're out for 3 weeks.
Nope.
Yeah, but we could be out.
Now,
We
So-
could have 2 more weeks. Nobody knows.
Guys, I don't want to do this. So I lost my train of thought. I did hand these out, so if you were in class Friday before all of the we aren't coming back to school stuff happened. Hey, Ryan. Make sure you either print these or do them on there. If you do them on paper, you need to get your parents to send me a picture of what you did so I can look at it. Miriam, I think your mom just did that, right?
I do them randomly. I don't do them in order.
on Class Dojo.
Yeah.
Madam, I don't do them in order.
I don't care. Doesn't matter. But the 4 I gave you are on here. So there's the 3-8, 3-9, 4-1, and 4-2. I also gave you an assignment to work on these fraction things. So we just did a bunch together. You should be able to go into Khan Academy now and do them on your own. I will be checking Alex. And I would like to have another meeting on Friday at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Same time.
Wait, are we done now?
I'm all done.
Oh.
Question: did Madam Grosh have her baby yet?
Oh, yeah,
You did.
A long time ago.
She what?
No, it wasn't a long time ago.
I think it was on the last day of school before we left.
I want to see what he looks like because I didn't get to see it. Wait, what's his name? She never told us his name.
Exactly, and I wasn't there.
Wow. His name is Thorn.
Thorn?
Yeah.
Yes, Thorn.
Oh, because she said she was going to name her baby something special.
Oh.
Aww. He's cute.
She just saw the flag.
So she's doing really well. He's home. They're happy. All good things. All good things.
Is she going to come back to school?
I mean, yeah, eventually.
Yeah.
But she gets maternity leave, so I think it kind of depends on like how long we are out of school, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Everything's just all up in the air.
Yeah.
Day by day. All right, friends.
So we're going to return on Friday?
Yes, 2 p.m. Friday. Okay?
Okay. Are we going to have the same schedule